there. This is Nutan Verma, your own Montessori teacher, and today I have got a surprise for you. See where we are. It's such a beautiful place, and it's a wonderful break from our busy schedule. We are in Tamil Nadu, and now we are going to Yakkad, one of the most beautiful hill stations in India. And see these beautiful flowers. And most important thing, I would like to show you this. See, these farmers have made this tent so that they can store rainwater, and later on they can use this water for their farms. So we should learn something from them. So my dear kids, you must have seen tulsi, basil leaves. Okay, जो हम देखते हैं वो वाली ग्रीन तुलसी होती है, आप सबके घर में मिलेगी. देखो ये ग्रीन तुलसी. ओके, पर ये वाली जो तुलसी है, देखो इसका कलर कितना डिफरेंट है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्चुअली श्यामा तुलसी. एंड जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि तुलसी हैज गॉट मेनी मेडिसिनल यूसेस, तो ये वाली जो तुलसी है एक्चुअली दिस डार्क तुलसी इज एक्चुअली वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ. And this uncle is, see, he's helping and he's giving us so many plants of tulsi, which I am going to plant at home. Look at this valley. And we have spotted many, fruits trees like custard apple, then papaya, guavas, jackfruit, and then, many other trees like, I can't even tell you. We had the pleasure of plucking fresh custard apples from the trees. It's very beautiful. Do you see the beauty of hills? Dear kids, let me share one very important thing with you. आपको पता है, जैसे जैसे हम हिल में ऊपर जाते हैं तो आपका जो वेदर है वो चेंज होता जाता है ना. जब हम नीचे थे, when we were down, it was quite sunny and hot, and now when we are going up, weather has changed and we are actually feeling cold. Gradually, धीरे धीरे ये जो है मौसम जो है काफी ठंडा हो रहा है. तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जब हम हिल स्टेशंस पे जाते हैं तो धीरे धीरे जो है टेम्परेचर डाउन होता जाता है, टेम्परेचर कम होता रहता है. ओके, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इन समर वेकेशंस पीपल लाइक टू गो टू हिल स्टेशंस. कैन यू सी दिस वैली? इजंट इट अमेजिंग? वाओ, it's spectacular, breathtaking. मतलब बहुत सुंदर है. You must come to this place. So my dear kids, if you can see this creeper and this huge tree, this is rosewood tree, and this creeper is pepper creeper. Yes, black pepper. ये देखो. I'll try to get one. See? Look at this. This is black pepper. Now this is looking green. Gradually it will become yellow. फिर ये red हो जाएगी और थोड़े दिन में ये black हो जाएगी. तो ये जो घर में हम जो काली मिर्च यूज करते हैं ना किचन में, ये वही है. ओके, तो ये इस तरह से क्रीपर पे ग्रो होती है. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको कभी कोई पूछे कि ब्लैक पेपर कहाँ ग्रो होती है, तो यू कैन टेल दैट ब्लैक पेपर ग्रोज ऑन क्रीपर्स. नाउ लुक एट दिस. वी हैव टेकन दिस tamarind from the tamarind tree, and then we have plucked these wonderful custard apples, from custard apple trees. See, now we have actually reached Yercaud. It's a small town.
Yeah, Greenwoods.
And we are going towards a hotel. After getting freshen up, we'll go out and I'll show you some more beautiful places. It's a small town, but a beautiful hill station. Not much commercialized. Yercaud is a hill station in the state of Tamil Nadu, which is very beautiful. And we reached here by 12 o'clock. Now we are doing boating, which is very pleasing. Weather is also awesome. I'll show you. Look at this. I hope you all will enjoy this view. See? We just wanted to take a break from our busy schedule. So we have come here. So I thought, why not share this journey, this experience with you all. Dear kids, now we are at Pagoda Point. Okay, Pagoda Point is the highest point of Yercaud Hills. Okay, look at the view. So from this point actually we get the best view of this place. And just see the weather. It is just 5:30, 5 o'clock 30 minutes. And it's getting dark. And look at the clouds. Can you see the clouds floating over there? These are clouds. Something which you can see, which is moving. The fog kind of thing which is moving, those are clouds. And you know, as we have come at the highest point, it is really cold. We are all shivering. Hey kids, can you see that? The clouds moving over there. Oh my god. The whole valley is getting covered with clouds. Now see, slowly we cannot see anything. It's, you know, all getting hazy. कुछ भी हमें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. It's amazing. Now we are going to Rose Garden. It is 6 o'clock in the evening and look at the fog. It's getting difficult to drive. The view is very hazy. There is not much clarity. Actually, I know in the video still you have some clarity, but in reality it's quite hazy. And it's just 6 o'clock in the evening. And this is the month of October, not December or January. But because it's a hill station, so hill stations are always, you know, comparatively colder. Here, you know, it rains a lot. Since we have come, like we reached here 12 o'clock. We reached here at 12 o'clock. After that, almost thrice it has rained. 3 बार बारिश हो चुकी है. और देखिए, अब देखिए, कैन यू सी कितना हेजी हो रहा है, कितना ब्लर हो रहा है. ये देखिए, ये क्लाउड्स हैं. ये देखो, ये कितना फास्ट मूव कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि इस हिल स्टेशन की हाइट काफी ज्यादा है, तो यू नो we are actually walking through the clouds. this is the beauty of nature. That is why I like to come to such places. Hi, good morning. And now, today morning, we are going to Kilior Falls. So let us see how it is. Just see the beauty of nature. These tall trees and mountain slopes. We are going down actually, okay, towards the Kilior Falls. This is Kilior Falls. Because of the rainy season, here actually it rains almost twice or thrice a day, sometimes even more than that. That is why there's lots of water. And can you see the force of the water? Weather is also quite bad, very cold, but I don't know how people are taking bath here. Water is very cold, icy cold. So this is the time to say goodbye to Yercaud. It's been a wonderful trip and I hope you all also like this video. If you like this video, please do visit Yercaud because it's truly beautiful place. And do not forget to press the like button and share this video with your family and friends. And my dear kids, please do subscribe my channel so that you can get many more videos like this. Take care of yourself.